Unwrinkle your clothes, iron or steam.
Hello, everyone. Have you ever pulled a favorite outfit out of the dryer, only to find it covered in wrinkles? If so, you're not alone. But don't fret. We're here to answer a very important question today. Can you use a steamer or iron on clothes that have been wrinkled in the dryer? Let's get into it.
Using an iron.
When dealing with clothes that are wrinkled from the dryer, the traditional approach is to use an iron. Most fabrics can be ironed, but it's essential to check the care label on your garment before proceeding. 1. Set the iron at the appropriate heat level for your garment's fabric. 2. Place your garment on an ironing board. If it's a shirt, start with the collar, then the cuffs, and finally the body. 3. Move the iron over the fabric, applying light pressure. Never leave the iron stationary on the garment to avoid scorching.
Using a steamer.
If you're looking for a quick and gentle way to remove wrinkles, a garment steamer might be your best bet. Steamers are safe for most fabrics, even delicate ones like silk. Here's how you can use a steamer. 1. Fill the steamer with water and turn it on. Allow it to heat up until it produces steam. 2. Hang your garment on a hanger. Hold the steamer nozzle towards the garment, but do not touch the fabric. 3. Move the steamer up and down, allowing the steam to penetrate the fabric and relax the wrinkles. Please remember, not all clothes are suitable for steaming. For instance, leather, suede, and some plastic-based fabrics could be damaged by the steam.
Which is better, steamer or iron?
The choice between using a steamer or an iron comes down to your personal preference, the type of fabric, and the level of wrinkles. Irons are excellent for giving a crisp, pressed look, especially for shirts and trousers, while steamers are more gentle and can be used on a wider variety of fabrics, including those too delicate for an iron. In conclusion, yes, you can use either an iron or a steamer on clothes that have been wrinkled in the dryer. Just make sure you check the fabric care label first, and use the appropriate method for the best results. With these handy tools, you'll be wrinkle-free in no time. We hope this video has been helpful, and here's to no more wrinkled outfits.